Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at a ChromeOS Flex storage issue and how to solve this particular one. Now this is a Latitude 3301, which is not on the supported list. Might be this, or just it's not one that they tested. It seems like it should be able to handle it based off of the specs of the device. But what happens is when you go into the install and press install, you get this error, which again, if you go through a lot of these, the internal storage drive does work. So it's not that or anything there. I'm able to do other devices with this. You can view the logs too if you want, just to see if they look similar. And really it's that it's not seeing the disk. So I'm going to shut it down and then use F2 to get into BIOS. Going into BIOS, you go to System Configuration, and if you go down, in SATA operation, it actually was on RAID. And so what I found is if you go to AHCI, that will actually get it, so it will read that. So you push yes for the changes, hit exit, and yes. And then let's go back to the one-time boot menu, which in this case is F12. You can select that same disk. Get started, install. And now it's actually taking. Now I will say doing this, like always, or installing ChromeOS can always lead to breaking whatever the machine, so it's always good to have a backup. Also, being willing that it might not work, or you might need to reinstall whatever operating system was on it. So again, hopefully this helps your instance too. I'm not going to go through the entire screen here, but essentially it got us past that and was able to recognize the storage drive that we're trying to install ChromeOS on. And here we are. So now it's installed. So hopefully that can help your storage issue as well, if that you happen to face the same thing. We'll see you in the next video.